So hello guys, how are you? Good? Let's put all the energy. I'm Daniel, I'm the CEO of Area 101. I'm the company helping the Wolaria team running the accelerator. They run with an issue, a small issue with the train that is not working, something that's happening lately. So I will kind of do the introduction to the program. Uh, I don't know if all of you know what is called Wolaria. Wolaria is an accelerator. We work with startups to make their ideas come true, make their ideas come to life, and we help them with different services and with different programs to get to where we are today. Part of what we do is we support them, we teach them, we accelerate them, and we also teach them how to pitch. We do two things. We turn ideas into business. That's the main core of the program. And we also help them to kind of scale up. Scale up through access to investors, pitching, and this is part of what we call scaling up. And we know that it's the hardest part. I'm also an entrepreneur. It's the hardest part to go through two people to what is a real business. Our commitment with them is we provide them support, we provide them services, and just for you to know, the program is actually open, so many of the companies in Castilla y León can apply to the program. There is a whole selection process that passes through different stages, from pitching to meeting with the Wolaria team, and the whole idea is like we get amazing talent to the next program. The core of everything is the Wolaria Acceleration Campus, is workshops and is sessions that we do in strategy, sales, digital marketing, legal, finance. There are different ones, and we also provide with services. Services that we provide to startups, like pitch workshops, networking, open innovation sessions, so the startups can connect with different companies, between other services that we provide in the accelerator. We work with an amazing network of partners. The whole idea is like we can provide access to funding, access to technology, access to different kind of services, and we are actually pushing very hard to create sectorial accelerator hubs, if we can call it, like Aerospace in León, Bioeconomy in Soria, Green Energy in Burgos, between others. We are really pushing forward into what is the impact that we provide. The impact is successful startups. You will tell us what is successful startups from your perspective, but the whole idea, there are jobs created, there are investment being done in the startups, there is funding raised, there are new companies created, and there are projects that we are accelerating. But the main characters of today are the startups. I don't want to take a lot of time from them, so please let's give a warm applause to them and let's start hitting the pitches.
Okay. I'm going to tell you what we do, what we build, and what we want. In 3 minutes, then I will stop talking and we'll have a real conversation. Let's begin. I'm Miguel Moralejo, CEO of AI Business, and we make companies talk, work, and think. There's the whole company in 7 words. Let me show why. 87% of enterprise AI projects never reach production. Demos everywhere. Systems nowhere. That's the gap. We fell. 3 forces align in 2026. Model mature. Regulation crystallize. Budget unlock. The window is open and it's closed in 36 months. Whatever wins this layer of European enterprise wins this for a decade. 1 platform, 3 products, already in production. They make your company talk, work, and think. Manager, the conversational layer over your real system. Any ERP, any 3M, any database, any legacy mess you have. Plug it in, train on your data, and your team is talking in your company in minutes. Operator, the back office automated. 80 to 9% of the administration load, invoice, demand, reconciliation, gone. Not RPA, not clicks. Actual decision made by a business software. Agentia, a team specialized AI agents that decide, coordinate, and read 24 hours. The Tier 1 banks have in production today. The markets get in 24 to 36 months. We are already here. Our team is 3 steps. Your data, your model, only by you, not us. Your operation live in weeks. The model belongs to you forever. That's the difference. Our teams is human plus machines. We use our agents to deliver your own project faster, cheaper, sharper to any consultants on the air, because we eat what we cook. 5 times growth, 2 years running, 300,000 in 25, 1.5 million planned for 2026, 50,000 in ARR, and growing 14 months and run away. Profitable today, we don't need this round to survive, we need it to accelerate.
Hi, my name is Esteban Tipan. I am the CEO of Mitsalud.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Cynthia Zagardia, and I am part of the Mixalu group. Today, we're going to talk about how we work. We're building an intelligence layer that connects healthcare in Latin America. Healthcare in Latin America has a major challenge that patients' information is fragmented in different places like hospitals, insurers, healthcare providers, laboratories, and these fragmentations increase the cost, reduce efficiency, and impacts in patients' outcomes. Every healthcare organization generates value of information, but only information doesn't work for create better decisions or better healthcare. Better decisions require connected information, and healthcare needs more intelligence, not just more data. At Mixalud, we solve this problem using artificial intelligence to connect healthcare data, service providers, and patients in one ecosystem. We transform fragmentation information into better decisions. We are not building another telemedicine company. We are building a health intelligence platform. Our platform is integrated by primary care, occupational health, medical specialties, laboratory service, and home healthcare into one experience. That means one patient, one journey, one ecosystem. Our artificial intelligence helps organizations to improve outcomes, optimize resources, reduce costs, and increase access to care. We help healthcare organizations to make better decisions every day. The impact of our models have already been proven. We delivered more than 800,000 of consultants, medical consultants. We achieved 83% of primary care resolution rate, and we maintain a patient satisfaction score of 4.89 out of 5. We create value of insurance employers, healthcare providers, and organizations. Latin America and Central America represent one of the largest healthcare opportunities in the world. More than 4 million healthcare professionals need it. Our vision is simply to become the leading health intelligence platform in Latin America. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Daniel Molina. I come from the silent sector, the hearing loss sector. 4.6 million Spaniards have hearing loss, and the 60% receive no help. Not because solutions don't exist, because nobody made them feel safe enough to try. I'm Daniel Molina, co-founder of Hearing It, and we are changing that. I have spent 9 years as an audiologist sitting across from patients who waited years to ask for help. Not because they couldn't hear, but because nobody made them feel safe enough to try. Eurotrack 2023 confirms 60% use not solution at all. The system failed to earn their trust. This is a silence epidemic, and the industry response is a cold call. Hearing It is the first platform where a licensed audiologist, not a teleoperator, is the first voice a patient hears. We assess, educate, and connect them to the right clinic, fully informed and ready. Every case is fully traceable. Real-time referral tracking, direct professional chat, and full case history in one place. To scale, we deploy a digital audiologist technology, AI that thinks and qualifies patients exactly like a clinical professional would. That number in the center of your screen, 60%, that's not a statistic. That's our market. Spain's hearing device market moved between 600 million and 1 billion annually. The World Health Organization projects 1 in 4 people globally will have hearing problems by 2050. If we add Portugal and Latam, same language and same broken model, the opportunity is a different conversation entirely. Clinics only pay when a patient receives treatment. No success, no fee. Every converted patient generates around 300 in revenue. Our incentivize is fully aligned with clinical outcomes. In the next phase, monthly subscription from 15 to 100 as a recurring SaaS lawyer on top of model already generating real revenue. 6 months ago, Hearing It didn't exist. Today, we have more than 200 affiliate clinics across Spain. National coverage built from zero in half a year. Real patient flow, recurring revenue, revenue to CSE of plus 25. We are now scaling operation through AI. The model works. Now the challenge is speed. Behind Hearing It are 2 people who couldn't ignore this problem. I'm Daniel Molina, 9 years as a clinical audiologist, researcher at a university lecture. I didn't find this gap. I watched it happen patient by patient for almost a decade. My co-founder, Miguel Peinado, is a self-taught full-stack developer, 6 years building SaaS platform, who said yes without hesitation when the moment I explained the idea. He doesn't just write code, he designed it for patients. We are raising 150,000 euros to consolidate Spain, deploy our digital audiologist technology, AI that qualifies patients 24/7, and plan routes in Portugal and Latin where the infrastructure is already ready. Every day without this million receive a lead from Steve of a professional.
Welcome, my name is Lucas Gonzalez, and with my 2 co-founders, we created Eventival, the multi-channel events platform based in Valladolid. We connect thousands of people with the events, experience, and brands in our city. And let me start with a simple question. Why is so hard to find good events in our city? Well, you know, more than 60% of the events, they don't attract enough people, not because they are not interested. This is because the events don't reach the people. So here we are Eventival, we are a creative agency, broadcasting channel, and system of ticketing all together. We have a large community of users, over 50,000, and for example, those are our numbers. We try to put all together, the awareness, the promotion, and direct sales. Right now, we are in the Stadium José Zorrilla in Real Valladolid and many other places. So those are our statistics. We are growing so fast. Every week we have different channels like Instagram, WhatsApp, and we reach tons of thousands of people through our media. For example, last month we reached 2 million impressions and, for example, over 50,000 interactions in our media. So this is the different media. For example, we have an Instagram where we have 31,000 followers, and every week we share the events with a direct link to convert. For example, the newsletter, WhatsApp community, and our website where everything is concerned. So our model business is very simple. With no risk for clients. We offer all together in a only commission per ticket. For example, we include all the communication, publicity, and the ticketing. And the ticketing management. And for clients who want more, we can offer, for example, user-generator content. We can put add-ons like MediaPaid and other different services. Like we can make like special events. Yeah. So, for example, the events world is growing every year. For example, in Castilla y León, It's about 20 million per year, but every year is growing. So we have a big market to grow. Our target is right now Valladolid, but then we would like to grow into different communities. So, of course, we know we have different competitors. For example, Eventbrite and Trarium, they have a great ticketing solve, but what we have is the community that they don't have. We also offer the ticketing, but we have the loyal community and all the channels to share the information and sell the events experience. So that's our goal and target. For example, we've been working for 2 years in Valladolid, and we have different strategic partners like institutions, brands, festivals, and local venues. For example, we have a mission: connect the best plans in our city with the people. And close to me, we are my two co-founders, Juan and Silvia.